So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the alarm sound effect to a video here in iMovie. So once you have iMovie open up on your device, as you can tell, I just have a blank black background right now with no sound. But if you wanted to add an alarm sound effect, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on the plus icon. Now for me, the sound effects tab was recently brought up in a previous video, but if you just go back a couple times, there's photos and videos, there's backgrounds, audio, camera, voiceover, etc. Since we want to add the alarm sound effect in specific, we're going to go ahead and press on audio and then press on sound effects. Now the alarm sound effects at the top here, so you can go ahead and press on that. It'll just be quiet for a couple seconds. Hopefully you guys can hear. It plays the alarm sound effect right there, but if you wanted to do, the data sound effect, you can do that. You can play around. There's a whole bunch of different sound effects you can select from, but as I mentioned before, if you wanted to do the alarm sound effect, go ahead and press on alarm, and press on the plus icon. Then if you were to play it, it'll be quiet one more time. It now adds the sound effect to your design. So if you wanted to move it around, you can move it around. You can make it longer, shorter, whatever the case may be. That's up to you guys, but pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add the alarm sound effect to a video here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.